So I asked you boys to send me your best glow ups. Some were really good and others were a bit concerning. So today we're gonna go through and rate your glow ups. Why you look so happy, bro? You look like a Maltesers. What the guys, are you serious? You missed the whole point. Oh my gosh, man. Are you serious? Okay, finally, Ash. Okay, this is Ash before. Why you look like what's that movie called? Boy in striped pajamas. Why you look like boy in striped pajamas, bro? And then after. Okay. W glow up. Really? What is this? Okay. Guys, what the fuck? What the bro? What? No, that's not him. That ain't real. Wait, what? Wait, that's him. Bro, look at his nose. Oh my gosh, that's him. If this is you, bro, this might be the best glow up I've ever seen. If this is you, genuinely, I'm gonna make out with this guy. I started working. Where's the before? Is this the after? Where's the before? Okay, this dude actually looks. Yeah. I can see. Where's the before though? I love how I'm doing a glow up stream, bro. My ass is so chopped, bro. I literally just woke up and did nothing. Like, my ass is so chopped, bro. Who does this guy remind me of? This guy reminds me of the throw up emoji. Nah, I'm playing. He's good looking. Nah. I like the little thing, you know, the thing with the little thing. I like it. Guys, send your viewer glow up. What the frick is this? What the frick, bro? Why are you so happy? What the heck? Dog, I swear I saw you on the Chris Hansen channel. Okay, me before. Is he getting back shots? What the? Yo, they do getting back shots. And then after. Bro, look like you about to say Bumba Clot. Hey, bro, you look like you just got caught, bro. Meeting a minor. Whose kid is this? Bro, what the frick? What are you doing with your eyes, dude? Why is his eyes like... Keep your eyes open, bro. If you keep your eyes like this, you finna trip and fall. Doing this is not cool, bro. Okay, what the hell? I shouldn't say that. That song came to my mind. God, I'm sorry. Okay. Nah, this looks good. He looks good here. I like it. He looks good. I mean, you look like a regular white dude. What can I say? You look like a regular black dude. Bro, I don't know what to say because if I say, like, if I make fun, you guys are gonna get mad because, like, I'm kind of roasting the people that are watching the videos. What is this? Really? Yo, who said this? You're getting banned, bro. Whoa! What the hell is this? Guys, really? 1.5 year different. I'm not fruity chill. Okay, let's see. Okay, so before he looks like, I don't know, came out of a man's womb. And then after he looks like, yeah, I can see it. His head looks like a helmet. So it's kind of good. His hair looks like literally like a helmet. So he could probably go on war. And if a bullet shoots him in the head, it will just deflect. Don't send this porn in this server. Don't ever send porn in this. I need a glow up, please help. Yeah, you do got a bulk. Hey, my boy, you do got a bulk, bruh. Your hand literally looks like this, bruh. This is what your hand looks like. So you got a bulk, my man. IDK, what age? 13, still growing. Okay, so bro started off as a girl, and then bro became a boy. Hey, fair enough, bruh. The game's the game. RTF, how is getting rich going? It's not going good. I mean, hey, shout out to the YouTube boy. What the shout out to everyone on YouTube who's been watching the videos, but hey, hopefully one day we all get rich, bro. Bro, how you talk about glowing up? Butter, you're like 13. Let's go play Minecraft. Why you talk about glowing up when you're 13? Say N-word for $100. Bro, I'll do it for free. That is edited. That is not real. That never happened. Okay, this is all edited.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Okay, this is also edited. This was never a real thing. What? I think it's a real one. Okay, finally.
God, bro. Oh, hell.
Why are you doing this? Bro, you guys gotta stop doing this face, bro. Stop doing this face, bro. I mean, I like the side profile. Looks good. He looks like Johnny Bravo. But don't do this face, bro. This is gay as hell. You need to put on weight, bro. You look like the first thing I learned how to draw. Bro, looks like a stick man. But yeah, once this guy puts on weight, we're good. What the f Bro is literally my meal. Bro is literally my meal. This dude just said, yo, can I get more? I speak your language. Bro, what is that even supposed to mean? Hey, it's you guys.